Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily enable or disable the remove download from the eReader to free up space on your KOBO Elipsa 2E. So basically it's an automatic process that when you mark a book as finished, then it will remove the download from the eReader to free up some space. So go to settings. Now go to manage downloads, and here, as you guys can see, it's right here. So when you mark a book as finished, then it will remove the download from the eReader to free up some storage space. So now it's enabled, and now when we click on the checkbox and it'll be empty, then it's disabled. So here's how you guys can change it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.